Okay, happy Friday. This is the attendance register. Sparsity today. I'm going to start off by answering a few questions. Student answer session, so to speak. So one question I got was, where is the LaTeX template for the assignment that I mentioned a week ago? So if I go to Blackboard, and I log on, and then I click on, well, you can click on CS337 or CSM37. I guess the third year students will see the CS337. And then you click on assignments. You can find all the assignment files and the LaTeX source for those files if you want to use them. Did everybody follow that?
I think the third year one is still.
Now, I got a message from Blackboard, I believe yesterday, saying they had mirrored the two modules successfully and should be working now.
I checked it like I did today. Still.
You checked it earlier today,
Yeah.
and you didn't see this?
No, it was just like I'll check it.
Are there any other third year students that can verify or yeah, the third year students on the
I can see the master, I can roll the master.
Okay, what's your name?
Here.
Okay, so can you see, what do you see, CS337 or CSC337?
It comes up as M37, but when you click on it, it says 337.
Okay, can you try that?
Oh yeah, I do that.
Okay, so you see CSC337 on your login page. Okay, that's good. That's good. So third year students need to look out for that on their Blackboard login. What did you say your name was again? What did you say your name was again? Kieran. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I hope I can remember. Another question I got was about the data and downloading the data, difficulties downloading the data. And Leah McNabb was kind enough to bring this to my attention. And so I went to the Project Tycho website. Oh, that's the wrong one. You can use that one if you want. That's a similar one. And then I was like trying to download the data, and I noticed that it does look like it changed. Downloading the data, the process of downloading the data seems to have changed. So now what I'm offering is an alternative web page to download the data from. If you go to my web page, which I'm sure is your home page by now, and then you add the word data to the URL, you can find the data already downloaded for you. So if you click on eHealth, I have downloaded some spreadsheets that you can use for this assignment. And you can download those spreadsheets and use them and eHealth. And there they are. Now what do these look like? This is what I thought they looked like because I downloaded this data last year. And these last year you could download you can choose a diagnosis like coronary heart disease, and you could download the entire data set for all of England. So that's what I've done here. That's what these data sets are. This is just coronary heart disease is just one of the examples. There are other examples like data about child health. That's a really interesting one. But I'll just click on one so you can see what it looks like. Data. Laptop is not, could be a little bit more organized, but and this is something that's a little bit more, let's say, input friendly for assignment 1. So this is what it could look like, right? This is what your data could, this is what it could look like. On the left-hand side is a list of practice codes, a very long list of practice codes. So these practice codes cover the entire, all of England. They're spread all across England, right? And then you have other columns. This is the male population and the age distribution in the year 2010. And that's female, and so on. And if I keep scrolling to the right, I get lots of data, right? That's the population data. So I click on this tab, I get the CCG data. And then I get indicator metadata and practice address and so on. So these are a little bit better for, assignment 1 than, the ones that you can download. If anybody does figure out how you can download all of the practices across the entire country at the same time, like in one go, let me know. That used to be possible. But now it looks like you can only download subsets of the data based on location. Any questions about that? Actually, Chow Tong is supposed to supply even more data because he's the one working on this. Any questions? A little hint is to have a look at the child health data. I looked at it yesterday. It's really, really interesting. We haven't looked at the child health data yet. We haven't looked at it at all in detail. But it looks really, really interesting. Like it describes what happens to children when they walk to the NHS services, how old they were, like what the reason they were brought in, the circumstances they were brought in under, all this really interesting stuff. So it's quite a big data set, and it covers all of it. Sound exciting? Any other questions about assignment 1 or other things? Okay, good. Silence is an indication of satisfaction and happiness and contentment. Right? So when people are very unhappy with this life, it's really